This old guy DIY video has to do with actually installing auger style posts for a dock. You can see all the green crap here. This dock isn't going to be used for a boat. It's just being put out here because the state requires a dock if the area is going to be treated for all this aquatic crap. So anyway, we're putting a dock in. So I leveled the posts. I just used my 12-inch piece of, actually looks like about a 20-inch piece of 1/2-inch threaded rod to screw these things down. And then I used a piece of 10-foot conduit here. Rather than manipulating that section of dock and getting it all muddy and whatever else, since the conduit's as long as the dock, I laid a piece of 2x6 there on the ground first and then ran the conduit out. I laid the conduit on that end support to establish level, and then once I had that level, I tightened up the stuff on that post with the 9/16 socket, and then I went over and tightened up this side so the thing is level now, and it's time to just pull the dock out onto the posts. Now we have the dock installed. See, it's looking good for level, and that's it. So have a great day.